Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody needed some help doing this right here. It's basically text a path, and for the gentleman that sent it to me, it was a JPEG, and it's a picture, and you need to trace it, and so you can have some vector artwork to place text a path in. So we're just going to do this right now, and I'm going to send this to you, but it still needs to be cleaned up a little bit. I would take out some of these nodes, and I'm not going to do all the work. I just talked about that today. I taught a clinic today. I'm actually losing my voice because I've talked so much that, the old saying is, give a man a fish, he lives for a day, teach a man a fish, and he lives for longer, or however. But anyway, I'm going to set my nudge factor on 1 inch because this is real small. I'm going to smart fill this void and move it over. Smart fill this void and move it over. Once you've moved those over, don't move them back, or don't move them unless you nudge. Now these are shapes and we don't really need anything but the bottom line. So we're going to grab the shape tool and we're going to select that node right here and go break curve apart. Select that one, break curve apart. We're going to start deleting these nodes at top we do not need. Take that node right there and delete it. Take that node right there and delete it. So now you have a line to put text to path on. And since we did not move the line, we can nudge it right back. So let's select the text, go to text, text to path, and put it right there. Go up to a range. We have to select them both. Go up to a range and break text apart. Get rid of the path. Nudge Charlie over the same distance. Now he's a little bit off because he's in the bottom, but he's so small you can't really do anything with him with text to when you have text to pass that up. So we're going to set our nudge factor 0.001, and that way we can just minutely move Charlie's name up. It's still got the same shape as the other one. So I'm going to send you this file, but you're going to probably want to change the font or the size. So we're going to do the same thing on here. And then just start deleting. I'm going to have to zoom in. Get your shape tool back and just start deleting these nodes. And you'll see right there, you're done. Let's take barbershop. Now the good and the bad, I had to use a smaller font because the bottom is smaller than the top. But you got your text selected, go to text to path, and a little bit of a problem having that yellow so close. But that's good. Select them both, go to arrange, break text apart, or Control K, take your line and move it, and we have to change our nudge factor back to 1 inch. Move it over, same thing we would do with Charlie. Let's change our nudge factor now. I had to click off the page, 0.001, and just nudge barbershop up. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.